Princess Scotty here when we latch the hood. Doesn't really like to stay too latched. Yeah, like we were discussing before, the Speedo, that's the kind you wear.
Just do a U-ey through there or
yes, dear.
Turn around.
Oh, you want to crash the gate and go down the runway?
Oh, God. I would love to be able to get a runway pass with one of my cars.
Just to go play.
Just to see what they would be able to do, but it's like, yeah, no, I'm not taking that chance.
Anyway, back to reality over here. So we know the speedometer is definitely off, which would make the odometer off. So definitely gonna have to figure out what speedo gear we're gonna need.
Yep.
But overall, I also think the tack is a hair off too, because there's no way it's 400 RPM.
Yeah, I don't think it is either.
Yeah, there's no way. Yeah, because it wouldn't stay lit.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, the oil pressure thing, that's a bit concerning. We'll verify that. We'll double check that when it's in here deeper. Because the detents, she's not too fond of the detents either, so.
Yeah. Well, that could be just an adjustment.
Yeah.
You want to hear something funny?
What?
This is the first time I've ever been in a car with a shifter like that.
Wow.
Yep, first time ever.
You haven't lived.
With all the cars I've worked on, been in, owned my entire life.
Trying to make babies in.
Right, that too.
You haven't lived, sir. So like.
This is just an amazing car.
I mean, I'd love to see a ranch route in this.
Oh, yeah.
Or maybe AC. Not bad.
Nope,
Overall,
not bad at all. And it says we're roughly 2,800 RPM.
Yeah.
And
We're not going 75.
yeah, there's no way we're going 75. No way. Impossible.
Because we were going 70 going back the other way.
And cars were
Everybody
passing.
was flying by us like we were stopped. So.
Now, granted, that is Gene Autry for you.
Yes.
But we weren't going that fast.
So, I'm pretty happy with this thing.
So am I.
Especially now that we adjust the timing and it's got some semblance of drivability. But temp gauge we gotta look at. Voltmeter we gotta look at. Oil pressure we gotta look at.
Ooh, and I've never seen that happen. A green light coming this way. Okay, the first thing that's running through my mind is a 1-inch spacer for the wheel.
No.
Because we know that it's rubbing on the inside.
It's
Just that
rubbing
little
on the rear.
It's rubbing on the rear.
It's on the rear. I saw the marks. It's on the rear.
Okay.
Yeah. The spacer's gonna make it worse.
You think so?
A lot of the
Okay.
Tomato. That's,
Yeah.
That's small. That's small beans right now.
Yeah.
But I'd say,
All in all,
I mean, eventually one of these days I like to hook up a real oil pressure gauge, make sure. But it's not making blow up noises. So.
nope, it's not. I'd give the car a solid 92%
Yeah.
out of 100. I mean, it's in really, really good shape.
Not bad. UPS guy. Ooh, I wonder if we got toys.
We may have.
You like toys? Yeah, that rub's not fun.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna pull this biggie in, and this thing's ready for them to pick up. Basically, I gotta get all the rest of these videos live and get everything written up on their invoice. But yeah, we did our inspection, and we omitted the awful electrical nightmare, and did a little carb adjustment and some more stuff. Ooh, another Rock Auto box, just so we don't need more crap.
And good.
Well,
This way I know I can get out.
okay, well.
But on that note, ladies and
brakes,
gentlemen,
when I came in, yeah, because it doesn't have much vacuum.
what do we say?
We can figure out how to get more vacuum. Maybe the vacuum pump like Wick has.
Yep.
And other than that, we will see you later.
We're back real quick.
Because I was stopped See how the idle went up?
Maybe just a fluke.
Booster or check valve.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll dig into that.
Yep.
But for
it's
right
safe-
now,
it
it's
sounds-
safe, it's drivable. We're content. Muskrat out.
Mwah.